Hey guys, I'm Anjali and welcome back to my channel Divine Ideas, and I hope you all are staying safe at your home. So in this video, I will be sharing how to upcycle your old price tags into really interesting bookmarks. So for this video, I will be sharing two ideas of them, and first one is bahava flowers and second is sunflowers. So for both of them, I've used really minimal colors that I have just because of the situation going on. So yeah, let's get started with the video. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and share your love in the comment sections. So yeah, let's get started. For this bookmark, I've taken this old tag and I will separate all its parts first. Now I will cover the tag with a green acrylic paint. For both of the bookmarks, I will only use the basic acrylic colors that I have right now. Now I will make branches using a black acrylic color. And for the leaves, I have used different shades of green that I made mixing green with different colors like black, yellow and red. Once leaves are done, I will start making flowers using yellow acrylic color and let it dry for some time. Once it is done, for highlighting the flowers, I will use the silver color that I have as an alternative of white. Once the flower is done, I will use this golden color I have to paint the remaining part and I will allow it to dry for some time. And once it is dry, I'm going to write a message here. The first bookmark is ready. For the sunflower bookmark, I will separate another tag and this time I will color the tag with black acrylic color. Then to make a brown color, I have mixed red, black and yellow together and I will make a semicircle now. After this, I will start making the first layer of the petals one by one using the yellow color and leaving the space between each of them. Then I will add second layer of petals using darker color. For this I have mixed red and yellow together. For highlighting this flower also, I will use the same silver color as an alternative for white. For the other side of the bookmark, I have used the same size of paper and pasted it. At last, I will add a jute twine here for a look. And our sunflower bookmark is also ready. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you loved the video. For more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, be creative. Bye.